If you don't know much about cameras, or you want to learn more, or you just want to learn how to make them work for you and just tell a convincing story, well, you're in the right place. We're going to be talking about that. We're going to be talking about mission work and how we can use media effectively. And of course, we're just going to be talking about how to use a camera and get the best image out of it. Because as that we know, it's not the camera, it's the person behind the camera. So I'm here to grow your skills, to teach you, coach you, and help you along the way. If you have questions, be sure to comment down below what you want to see in an upcoming lesson, and let's get started. So right off the bat, we're going to be talking about the actual camera anatomy. So I'm going to put up a lovely diagram of a camera here. We're going to start talking about the anatomy of a camera. So of course, right on the front of the camera, we have the lens. This is where the light enters the camera and goes and reaches the sensor, which we'll get to in a minute. These can of course vary in length, anywhere from a collapsible lens on a small point and shoot, or to the lens on the back of your iPhone or Samsung or other Android device. These lenses are made of glass or hardened plastic, depending on what you use.